What if I told you the world's most successful race car isn't a Formula One car? It's the GT3. When GT3 was introduced in 2006, its goal was simple: create a race car that any manufacturer could build and any team could afford to race. Instead of chasing the fastest lap times, GT3 focused on close competition through a system called balance of performance, allowing cars from Ferrari, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Lamborghini, and many more to race wheel to wheel. Today, GT3 cars compete in over 20 championships around the world, from the 24 hours of Spa to the Bathurst 12-hour and even the 24 hours of Nürburgring. It didn't become the fastest race car. It became the race car everyone wanted to race. Do you think GT3 is the greatest racing category in the world? Let us know in the comments and follow RevLine for more incredible motorsport stories.